How you doing, everybody? This is Tim. We had a windstorm yesterday. It was blowing really bad, blowing snow all over, and all this crap like blew into my yard. Mom told me to come out here and pick it up. So I don't know. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so people had all this crap out for Valentine's Day or something, and blew into my yard, and got like red streamers and junk like that. I mean, really, who puts this stuff outside just because it's Valentine's Day? I mean, why should I have to pick this stuff up? Wish I could find out who owns this crap, and I feel like, hey Jack, come get your crap out of my yard. You know? Well, yeah, quite a windstorm on Valentine's Day. Had to cancel my my Lord of the Rings DVD movie marathon because it was so much wind. Thought it would be distracting. Oh, some more crap. Happy Valentine's Day. I mean, if I had a girlfriend, I wouldn't give her crap like this. Oh, jeez. I mean, come on. Come pick up your own crap, will you? Oh, jeez. Look at this over here. More crap. Everywhere. Oh. Something else over there. What the? Ah, gee. What is this? Whoa. It's like underwear in my yard. What the? Whoa. It's like chicks' panties in my yard. What is this doing here in my yard? Well, somebody had a good time on Valentine's Day. Wasn't me. How the heck did this end up in my yard? Huh. Oh, I don't know. It's pretty weird. Oh, Mom's home. What do I do with these? I don't want her to... Oh, jeez. I don't want her to see them.